Okay, my all dear students, I am again here with your question paper, important question paper of Chaucer to Milton, and this question paper is only and only for MA first semester students. So just have a look what kind of questions have been asked in last years related to this paper. The very first question is, again you can find here, just look at the very first question, how many times it has been repeated. What is the contribution of Geoffrey Chaucer to English poetry? What is the contribution of Geoffrey Chaucer to English poetry? What is Chaucer's contribution to English poetry? What is the theme of John Donne's poem Go and Catch a Falling Star? Is there a note of suffering and distress in To His Coy Mistress? What are the heroic qualities of Saturn? Most important question again. Contribution of Chaucer and here heroic qualities of Saturn. Actually Saturn is supposed to be the hero of Paradise Lost by some critics, you know very well this, and this is the reason that most of the time what happens that the heroic qualities of Saturn is asked in the exam, or simply you can be asked, do you think that Saturn is presented as a hero in Paradise Lost by John Milton? So this is the reason that I always advise my student to make a very important question related to Saturn, because no doubt Saturn is the personae and we all as a reader sympathize with this character Saturn, means we have in our heart a lot of sympathy for Saturn. So what are the heroic qualities of Saturn? As I have told you, the main reason that why he must be supposed to be the hero of Paradise Lost, because we somewhere feel a lot of mercy, a lot of attachment or intimacy or sympathy with this character. So this is the biggest reason that he can be called a hero. What is Marlowe's conception of tragedy? Okay, Marlowe as a tragic dramatist. Now come to an, oh my god, just look here once again, so important question. There is gorse plenty in the prologue to the Canterbury Tales, and I think that even the last year the same question was asked. Characterization, art of characterization of Chaucer, and same you will feel here there is gorse plenty in the prologue to the Canterbury Tales. Okay, gorse plenty, art of characterization, because there is a lot of variety of characters. Comment on this remark of Dryden. So this question is also very important. Comment on the poetic qualities. I think that this is not in your syllabus. So if this is not in, this is not in your syllabus, so just ignore this. Write a note on the conflict between good and evil in the play Dr. Faustus. Okay, the conflict between good and evil in the play Dr. Faustus. You have to write here the character of Dr. Faustus, and he was in a fix what is right and what is wrong, because there was going a conflict inner the side of Dr. Faustus. So next question is Chaucer's prologue. Chaucer's prologue, same you will find here. This is, there is gorse plenty, and again Chaucer's prologue is a veritable picture gallery. Okay, picture gallery, because there is a lot of variety. Write a note on the autobiographical element. This question is also very important. Autobiographical element in Paradise Lost. Next one is, this is also not in your syllabus. Make an estimate of Marlowe's, Christopher Marlowe's contribution to English drama. Some critics regard that if Marlowe had been alive today, he would have achieved the name and fame or recognition like William Shakespeare. But unfortunately, he is not among us. In early age, he was murdered. Make an estimate of Marlowe's contribution to English drama. Bacon spoke of his essays as dispersed meditations. How far is this an apt description of his essays? So all these were important questions based on this paper Chaucer to Milton.